This project could be the most bullish project that we've had for a long time in this cryptocurrency bear market that we are in. We're basically in a bearish trend right now, undeniably, for many, many months, and possibly a long-term bear market. Now, we have seen previous crypto bear markets last for a year or so. If so, we are about halfway through it, but nothing is a guarantee. And as always, previous returns and scenarios that we have seen are not an indication of future results or that the future situation will be the same. In any case, all market cycles are different in their own way. They do rhyme and are similar into how they have played out. Now, today we have this exciting gaming project called Kintara. Now, this is a crypto gaming project. My name is Jordan. Nothing in this video is financial advice, so always do your own research as always. Take a sip of your coffee for this one, because this has been a parabolically performing low cap altcoin, which has done really well in the Solana ecosystem. Now, this was created, of course, on pump.fun, so it's in the pump fun ecosystem. Okay, so take a sip of your iced coffee, your tasty and delicious iced coffee, guys. We gave you this, of course, at the very beginning, as always. And then a few weeks ago, we gave you another massive update on this, okay? Now, for example, let's look at how this coin performed in just the last month. So what, since June, is that June the 4th down there? Yes, so that says June the 4th. So we're on just past July the 4th now. So in the last just 1 month, I drew this line. As you can see, you would have had 2,000% profit, which is a 20x from where it is right now, as you can see. So that's 21 and 54. So 2,154% profit. But it went as high as this. So it hit the all-time high, which would have been 3,923% profit. As you can see right here, guys, on the screen in front of your face. So that is exactly a 40x, right? Now, the market cap is now $12.6 million for this, guys, here, the upcoming project. And of course, we have not seen crypto games perform well for ages. We thought that the crypto gaming was all dead and everything like that. Now, it's somewhat, it largely is, right? However, we're going to dive a bit deeper into this now, just to explain why this is happening, because for the next bull market, we need to be prepared and we need to be seeing what's doing well, even in the bear market. So we're seeing some crypto projects have success and be very massively successful. And we are starting to see massive YouTubers now start to play and get into this game and saying that they put even massive money into this game, okay? Lots of massive YouTubers, you have probably already seen them, okay? And you'll see this game trending on your news feed all over YouTube, Kintara. And I don't even think that they're sponsored. They just find the game cool and interesting. They just want to jump into it, I think. And they want to make they are seeing other people make money, so they want to make money on this game here. So people are making a massive amount of money, but the game also looks relatively interesting. This is their Twitter. It says here, Kintara is an MMO where you can play, earn, buy and sell for kins. So they have their own kins token, which is this token that we showed you here on the Solana blockchain, ticker symbol KINS. Now, this is, of course, extremely high risk and high reward. So only take this video for research purposes only. But it is a play to earn multiplayer world where your loot actually pays you. Play by holding 1 kins. And this is what it actually looks like. So I thought that you had to hold 1,000 Kintara. So double check that is, that's the updated amount is true. But if it was 1,000, then that would be $12 right now. So you only need that amount to play and actually get into the game. Once you're into the game, you can start earning just by playing. We can see here, 1 hour ago, they have a new announcement. Kick has just added Play Kintara as an official gaming category. So let's go down and see what's happening on their Twitter here. We can see you can buy and sell these kind of cosmetic items. Of course, they have, I think they're in the forms of, like NFTs in the game, basically. And you can also harvest, do farming, have loot. I think they have personal gold, which has evolved into a new lottery system. Use materials to enter for a chance to win over here. You can enter these global traveling merchant, like random, lottery entries, basically, and you can win all these gold here in the game. Now, it reminds me of Minecraft. It looks like a square cubed like game, which is, as we've seen Minecraft become very successful. We can see here Molten Phoenix, which is, I guess, an item in this game, has just sold for $2,500 which is 234,000 Kintara tokens, guys. Is that correct? 234.40K. on the Kintara marketplace. And you can see here, they have a link to the transaction here, which is this Phoenix item. And then this guy says how I made $2,000 in 2 days of playing Kintara. And then he explains his process, which he did here. Pretty interesting. So there's so much to see and read, guys, on their, on their page. So you can go and check it out yourself and in your own time. But this just proves that the crypto market is up and running. The fact this game hasn't collapsed yet. So there is life, guys, in the market and in the Solana meme coin degen trenches. Over 12,000 raised in just 6 days. Now, if we go down here, there was this funny video I saw with Tung Sahor. Look at this, Magma Crocodile sold for $1,200. And this is happening all the time, right? All the time. And these players harvested or created, got these items in the game. We can see these videos for the game down here, which is pretty cool. This is like a Magma Crocodile video. right? So that's pretty interesting. It jumps out the lava here. Emberstone loot pool has been updated, and they've removed some things from the pool. So they're doing game updates regularly, and this is the funny video I saw, right? So we have Tung Sahor. Guys, if you haven't seen this guy all over your timeline and giving you nightmares, then you're lucky, basically, because my nightmares, my dreams are full of nightmares of this guy chasing me, which is Tung Sahor. So he's all over social media, of course. That is the Italian brain rot branding, where they have multiple of these kind of brain rot characters, and Tung Sahor has gone viral. Basically, he's a psychopath, guys. He is a psychopath. We've seen him doing all kinds of crazy things, but today he breaks out this Kintara character from the game, it seems. Mitch is finally free. So I don't know too much about all of this, guys, but I've seen all these recent kind of posts, and it made me feel very bullish about crypto. We can see like a day 7 economy update, for example, from Kintara. There was 158,819 dollars earned by players in the last 7 days. The total marketplace sales, 84,000 sales, $5,565 spent on the spinner wheel. And top items by volume is gold, okay, with $80,000 of volume, rocket boost with $10,000 of volume, Flame Cape with $5,000 of volume, and Malted Rock with $5,400 of volume. The top 3 earners generated over $5,000 in cash. They have Guild Wars beginning all over here, and it looks a lot like Minecraft, right, with the square cubed kind of style. So I think they've upgraded and updated the game, because when I first saw it, it looked much more basic, but now they're adding, the graphics have improved. They've added more characters, more items. They're adding loads of stuff to the game. So it seems that they're doing updates regularly. So why would a team be building and doing updates if they just wanted to pump and dump and then leave? So that is the interesting kind of update for this, and keep an eye on their Kins token, guys, as always, if you want to be early. We do have Bitcoin still hovering just at around $62,000, so we're going to see what happens with that and the continuation of the market here today. We hope that you enjoyed this deep dive into Kintara, which is a very interesting game. And some other deep dive projects that we do have coming up. As always, exciting here, guys, on this channel. We give you the best, most hottest projects earlier than anywhere else. So subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notifications to keep yourself up to date in the market. And when the bull market comes back, guys, it is going to be a Valhalla, journey to Valhalla experience. So I hope you guys are ready for that. And thank you for the amazing, wonderful support, as always, here on this channel every single day. And guys, we will see you all in the next videos.